Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub on this week's episode down here in Plant City, as you can tell. And we're gonna be cooking up some burgers today. We're gonna make some burgers, some brats, just some real simple stuff as we play around here today, around the shop. And of course for ground meat, definitely not gonna do the average. We're definitely gonna do the beef and pork ground meat that we picked up at the local grocery right up the road. And we have a bunch of other little stuff that we're gonna make for some sides. Also, gonna whip up some smoked mac and cheese again. Some of our ingredients that we have ready to go is we've got some Munster cheese, we've got some Gouda, we've got a mac and cheese blend that we're gonna put on the macaroni and cheese. Here's those beer brats. Here's another view of that beef and pork mixed ground meat. We've got some peppers, some onions, plethora of Everglades seasoning that Kevin gave me. That I just kind of threw up right there. We've got our buns, and of course some Duke's mayonnaise. Mac and cheese is almost RTG, ready to go here. First thing that we're going to do is we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of some spice on there. Just a little bit to give it some flavor. Then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and grab our mac and cheese recipe blend of shredded cheese. Rip this package right there open it up, and just sprinkle. Oh, the wind here is just horrible in Plant City. Don't judge us. Dump that right on, smooth it out, then we're going to carry this right over to the smoker and help give it some of that smoky baked flavor. So over here you got one of my flips. I just picked up this mower yesterday. Travis is taking it for a spin, testing it out. Just look at that thing cut grass. Works effortlessly. So macaroni and cheese is rolling on that smoke. Time to go ahead and rip open these brats. Toss them right on there, get these brats rolling. Time to go ahead and pound out these burger patties. We're out of gloves here at the shop. Yeah, we're out of rubber gloves, I'm gonna tell you that. So now we're down here packing burgers like peasants without gloves. Burger patties are done. We've got our Everglades rub seasoning here that we're going to use to just kind of throw on there. So just going to kind of sprinkle that right on over the top. Everybody knows I love pepper, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this highly clean cook surface. Going to go ahead and pop open my pocket knife, which is also highly clean and sanitary. I don't use it at work. I don't cut straps or like cut tape off forklifts or anything like that with it. So that's good. So we're just going to go ahead and slice these right down the middle. Boom. Pop them open, cut out all the seeds, and then I'm just going to throw them on the grill because I want some spiciness in my burger. Burgers here are done and they are ready to pull off. Quick view of my first helping. Got some mac and cheese, burgers, there's some onions, jalapenos on there. Then I got some Gouda stuffed jalapenos. Lunch came out pretty good. Cooked over there on the pellet smoker. And we've got pretty much lunch pretty much cleaned up. Now we got the Tacoma over here ready to go up on the lift. It's about time to go run up to the store, go grab some oil, and then knock out a quick oil change. So after lunch, I decided to drain out some of the front diff water. So I made a little bit of a mess. Got most of it not in the drip pan. So there's the cooling water from the front diff. So now we're going to go ahead and exchange the oil, or the water that was in the front diff, to oil. So we're going to move up in the world. So our next task here is we're going to go ahead and change out the oil here. and spill it all over the ground. All right, it's time to go ahead and dump in the Mobil 1 0W20 in there. Let's go ahead and open it up. Puncture this thing here and dump it on in. Since it's Easter, might as well come over here and give Paisley the bunny a little pet here. Hi, Paisley. Hi. Hi. Look at cute little Paisley the bunny. Little shop rabbit. Fluffy and cute. Hi. Hi. Do you want a pet? Good little bunny. Well, we've got the truck all loaded up here. We got the oil change done, air filter done, front diff service, and a variety of other shop tasks done. So it's time to move on to the next destination. Snickers, what'd you do?
Well, don't tell Hunter about that one.
Snickers, did you pop it?
Oh God.
Snickers!
Bring here. Bring here. I should probably throw that away for his food.
Well, it looks like Snickers destroyed the ball there.
Yeah, that was quick.
So that lasted real long, didn't it?
Yeah, half day.
Half a day. What you got there?
A lot of meat. I like it big.
Alright, where are we going now?
Hopefully to get ice cream.
Ice cream.
I need it. Yeah, that's all.
Getting your ice cream?
Alright, thank you. All of it.
Alright, so how's your ice cream there?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We got us the McFlurries, some ice cream.
All this ice cream for us.
All this ice cream, because, you know, we like to eat our ice cream.
Yep.
Right here in the Bushnell Walmart parking lot.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody for watching, and it's time for some McFlurries in the Walmart parking lot.